security guards right here. They don't need that. Ugh, can I just type in the number and go? I don't think so. Yes, I can. Oh yeah, but good luck. Make sure you get in. Okay, I promise. Dee 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 dee. Dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee dee dee. I got locked out. Why? Oh, I just got locked out. You know, like, oh yeah. Yeah, like. Do you know why you're here? You're just to just stand here and block people. Get out here. Man, I hope that worked. Stop right there. Wait, what? They can't talk, can they? No, yes, we can't. We're not really alive, but the pencil named John recorded the sound. And the worst part is we'll have to pay $90 to this. You don't never do that. A $90 bill? I need to pay that? Yes, I do, I guess. Come on! That's the thing. Yeah. Stop that. We won't. You're just sitting there saying bad things to us, are you? Well, you did it first. Look at the sound. Anyways, I'll just go. No, or not.